Welcome to this tutorial on when to use CyberScout login. CyberScout is a comprehensive identity theft protection service that helps individuals and businesses protect themselves from various forms of cyber threats. In this guide, we will walk you through the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices for using CyberScout login effectively. First, it is essential to understand what CyberScout login is and how it works. CyberScout login is a secure online portal that allows users to access their account information, monitor their credit reports, and receive alerts about potential identity theft. To use CyberScout login, you need to have a valid username and password, which are typically provided by your employer or the organization that offers the service. Now, let's discuss when to use CyberScout login. You should use CyberScout login in the following situations. If you have received a notification about a potential identity theft, if you have lost your wallet or other personal identification documents, or if you have noticed suspicious activity on your credit report. Additionally, you can use CyberScout login to monitor your credit report regularly, which is a good practice to detect any potential identity theft early on. To get the most out of CyberScout login, it is crucial to follow best practices. Always use a strong and unique password, and avoid using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your account. You should also keep your account information up to date and monitor your credit report regularly. In conclusion, CyberScout login is a valuable tool for protecting yourself from identity theft and other cyber threats. By understanding when to use it and following best practices, you can effectively safeguard your personal and financial information. Remember to use CyberScout login if you have received a notification about a potential identity theft, if you have lost your personal identification documents, or if you have noticed suspicious activity on your credit report. Always prioritize your online security and take proactive steps to protect yourself from cyber threats.